It is very surprising, no? They did fight among themselves over what? Very surprising. Well played, well played. Really enjoyed. What is that?
He's our president, Asaj Akansha, Aza Surna.
What happened?
Yeah, please come. Vice President Rana sir is our president.
Ramana Rada.
బాగానే ఉన్నా బంగారం
యంగ్ బాయ్
అన్నయ్య ఉంటే చాలు బాగున్నారా కంగ్రాచులేషన్స్ గ్రేట్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ దిస్ గై ఇస్ అమేజింగ్ అన్న
స్పైడర్మ్యాన్
ఫెంటాస్టిక్ ఫిలం
స్పైడర్మ్యాన్
వెరీ వెల్ డన్ అన్నయ్య నాకు బాగుంది మీరు ఎలా ఉన్నారు లుకింగ్ గుడ్ బాగున్నారా నిజంగా అన్న యూ హ్యావ్ టు అప్రిషియేట్ మళ్ళీ మునబడికి రాపాను పెద్దవాడు దేవుడు రాను నిజంగా మీ పేరు క్లబ్ గౌరవం వెరీ ప్రౌడ్ ఆఫ్ యూ
అర్జున్
థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్ ఎక్సలెంట్ షో గొప్ప పేరు అన్నయ్య ఆడపిల్లలు ఇద్దరు ఒక ట్యాక్సీ ఏమన్నా అరేంజ్ ఎయిర్పోర్ట్కి పంపిద్దాం
मीडिया क्लिप తీసుకున్నాను ఓకే అనకు ఓకే అనకనక జస్ట్ వెయిట్ థ్యాంక్ యూ బ్యాక్డ్రాప్ ఎక్కడ అక్కడ ఓకే
డ్రైవర్ ఇన్ ద టెన్నిస్ ఫెటర్నిటీ
డ్రైవర్ ఉన్నాడు మ్యాచెస్
Last time they gave it. First time.
మలయాళంలో మాట్లాడారు
అక్కడికి అది అక్కడ షేక్ ఇస్తుంది కొంచెం తక్కువ అన్నట్టు కొంచెం
Request all the guests to be seated. We will start the prize distribution ceremony. Prize winners and last 6 days of excellent tennis. I will be conducted by FNCC and ITA. Please come and take his seat on the dais. Welcome, sir.
Come on to the stage. Sri Kaja Sundaram garu, Murli Mohan garu, Shailaja garu. So please come on to the stage, sir. Balraj garu, Sri A. Gopal Rao garu, Sri Edith Raja garu, Edith Satish Raja garu, Sri Mohan Vadlapatta garu, Sri Sama Indrapal Reddy garu, Srinivas Reddy garu, star of or badminton, Indian badminton, Satvik, and President Garu, Adisheshagiri Garu, Mohan Garu, Mehta Pedalu. ఈ డయాస్ మీద ఉన్నటువంటి పెద్దలు అందరికీ నమస్కారం అండ్ వెల్కమ్ యూ ఆల్. అండ్ యాజ్ ప్రెసిడెంట్ ఆఫ్ ది తెలంగాణ స్టేట్ టెన్నిస్ అసోసియేషన్ అండ్ ఆల్సో యాజ్ ది టోర్నమెంట్ డైరెక్టర్ ఫర్ ది మెన్స్ అండ్ విమెన్ 5 lakh tournament held here, it's my privilege to briefly tell you about this tournament. Now for the men's and women, altogether 162 matches were played during these 2 weeks and all facilities were provided by the Filmnagar Club. I really congratulate the Filmnagar Club and the managing committee especially for encouraging this particular tournament and thinking about it, planning, providing all facilities to players and the officials who have come here for the tournament. And I am sure most of the tennis players who have played here, they take back wonderful memories with them. I am sure about that. In fact, many players have interacted and shared their thoughts or their opinions about this particular tournament. Now, apart from congratulating the managing committee of this Filmnagar Club, I also heartily congratulate the sponsors, Suven Life Sciences, HES Infra, and Health to us, and the legend who are into a reputed company which is who are developers and builders, and Mr. Maheshwara himself is a good tennis player. It's very heartening that he is associated with this tournament. And another significant thing is that this is the highest prize money tournament in India post-COVID, 5 lakh tournament. So far, the maximum prize money was only 2.5 for men or women. So this, I think, a big round of applause for the Filmnagar Club for coming forward and also for the sponsors who have made this possible. Now, these officials who have, I also, Mr. Surajit is the chief referee for this tournament. All throughout, the men's as well as the women's, seamlessly he has planned all the matches, and there wasn't any delay or undue waiting for the players. And I am told that the players also enjoyed playing the matches and the scheduling was wonderfully done. And there are 6 chair umpires who have come, 2 from Chennai, 1 from Vizag, another from, I'm sorry, I forgot about the 4th one. And the 2 chair umpires are from Hyderabad. So they have done a wonderful job. So Vijay Singh and his umpires, the team has done a wonderful job. Now the ball boys have done an excellent job in this hot season. Throughout they have been working very hard, and I'm sure that they have, at many places what I noticed was the ball boys, sometimes they are the cause of disturbance to the players. But here the ball boys are very well trained and they did an excellent job in maintaining the courts and also kicking the ball and then without effective, unseen, not intruding into anything. That's a wonderful quality of a good ball persons. So I congratulate once again each and everyone who is associated with this, and a special mention has to be made to the tournament committee consisting of the tennis players of the Philip Nagar club and the sports committee chairman Mr. Chamundi. A word has to be said on the last prize presentation function for men's. He came to know, when he was on the dais like this, he came to know that Sumit Nagal was playing with Monte Carlo. He was short of funds and he was lost. How to travel and participate in the next tournament. On hearing this, Chamundeshwarinath immediately announced 10 lakhs on the spot, and he has transferred that amount, and Mr. Sumit Nagal has immediately responded also. So it is a wonderful gesture from you, Chamundi, and I am sure you all know about Chamundeshwarinath. He has spotted the talent and he has encouraged many sports persons. He is basically a sports person by heart, and we know especially shuttle, badminton, cricket, tennis. Someone is he has sponsored Sindhu, Saina. The list goes on. Ambati Rayudu, all these players, he has spotted them and encouraged them. So continue to do this good work, Chamundeshwarinath. And in fact, he is one of the. He has taken the initiative, apart from Philip Nagar Club, for hosting this particular these 2 tournaments here. So I once again congratulate. Thank you.
Thank you, Raman sir, for your wonderful message. We'll also request Sri Venkat Reddy Garu to please come onto the stage to give away the prize along with Sri K.S. Ramana Garu, the presence of the chief guest. Venkat Reddy Garu, please. These 2 lovely sisters have come all the way from Bihar, played wonderful tennis, and of course became winners, but they won everyone's hearts out here. FNCC congratulates them and wishes them all the best for their tennis career. Wish you happy flight. Sri Satvik Sairaj Garu, Satvik Sairaj Rankireddy. He is the world's #1 ranked badminton player. He is the first to win a gold in Asian Games. He has also won medals in Commonwealth Games in 2018 and 2022. It's a pleasure to welcome the pride of Indian badminton, Sri Satvik Sairaj Garu, on this occasion. I will request you to please say a few words to all the players and all the members of the media here.
Good evening, everyone. Really honored and privileged to be here. I remember I was playing my first senior tournament in 2015. Back then, here in FNCC, I won my first mixed doubles tournament here. From then, my journey has started from here, winning here in FNCC. After 10 years, almost 10 years, I am here sitting opposite side here, and it's been a really amazing journey. Back then, FNCC లో ఎప్పుడు టోర్నమెంట్ జరిగినా కూడా we never used to miss it. Like ఎక్కడున్నా వరల్డ్లో అంటే ఇండియాలో ఎక్కడున్నా అందరూ వచ్చి ఆడుతూ ఉండేవారు. ఎందుకంటే వాళ్ళ హాస్పిటాలిటీ కానీ, ఫుడ్ కానీ, స్టే కానీ చాలా మంచిగా చూసుకునేవారు. వరల్డ్లో ఇంటర్నేషనల్లో కూడా ఇంత మంచిగా పెట్టరు ఫుడ్ అలాగే ఇక్కడ పెట్టినంత. సో ఆ టైంలో ఎప్పుడు మిస్ అయ్యే వాళ్ళం కాదు 2015, 2016లో. దెన్ I hope they will conduct lot of tournaments and encourage all the people. And thank you, Chamundi sir, for giving me this opportunity. And it's my first tournament as in participation as a chief guest. And I hope my journey will start here as a chief guest as well. And thank you FMCC for this opportunity. Thank you.
Sathwik Garu, for your kind words. Let me assure you that the same spirit of hospitality from FNCC continues even today. No introduction. Commissioner of Police, Hyderabad City, a man who keeps us safe every day. Sir, I request you to say a few words to the August with the gathering here.
So good evening everyone. Am I audible? Yeah. Nice to be here. So it was a last minute call by my good friend Narayan Das Garu. I think you just came yesterday. Yesterday you came uninvited because I think perhaps my office is very close to FNCC. And then no, you can take that liberty with me. No, absolutely no problem. So and then but I kept you waiting for some time. So I should apologize for that. But it was because of an official commitment. But I'm happy I could finally make it and be here with you for this very important sporting event, which is, I think, the truly international level tennis tournament, and with, I think, the highest reward amount given by any private association, club, and graced by so many luminaries. So I would like to read out all the names. Of course, the president, Sri Adisheshekar Rao Garu. I think first time we are meeting. I might have seen you so many times on TV, along with great Krishna Garu. I was fan of Krishna, by the way. And Secretary Mullapur Mohan Garu, and other committee members, Sports Committee Chairman Chamundeshwari Nath Garu. Of course, you are always bubbling, cheerful. You are lucky charm for many sports persons, including Sahitesh Kiran. And so I think Sindhu, Saina, then even Sania. I don't know if you are also lucky charm for Sachin Tendulkar. He became famous after meeting you, or you met him after he became famous, but we also see a lot of times with Sachin Tendulkar. Very bubbling, I think very cheerful. I think you are real encouragement to these young boys. And of course, our young sports hero, who is the world #1 doubles badminton player. In the world #1 doubles badminton player, they won. He along with Chirag Shetty, he won the Olympic doubles the last time, right? Asian Games doubles, and it's no mean achievement. I think he appears so unassuming, simple, but I mean going to that level, I think it takes really a lot of effort, and congratulations to you. I think your parents must be proud, your guru must be proud, all of us are proud of you. And I also call upon Sri President Raman Garu. You spoke very well about the entire tournament in nutshell, and you seem to be really, I mean, you are the Telangana State Tennis Association President, and I never knew our Das Garu was secretary. When did you become secretary, Das? 6 months back. I knew you were a player, so now I think you're on the other side, non-playing. Yeah. Okay. So Narayan Das Garu, of course, all the friends who are there. I cannot miss the names of, I think, Ramarao Garu. I mean, if I'm not mentioning the names, please never mind. And yes, I'm very happy to be here and to give away these awards here. It will be a great encouragement to the young sporting personalities, and that should be my privilege. And of course, sir, you offered the honorary membership to him and me also. Of course, he can play, but if you offer me membership, don't force me to play anything. Because I am now beyond that age. But I think, use your swimming pool. I came to know it is, I think, temperature controlled. Perhaps I would love using that. But thank you so much for the offer. And so let's enjoy this evening. I think without wasting much time, Murli, how are you? I just saw you. So I think let's get going with the prizes. Thank you so much. Thank you once again.
రమేశ్వరరావు శ్రీనివాస్ రెడ్డి గారు, సాత్విక్, మీరు ఒలింపిక్ అనగానే నాకు భయం పట్టుకున్నాను. ఎందుకంటే ఒలింపిక్ మెడల్ నెగ్గిన ప్రతి వాళ్ళకి BMW కార్స్ ఇచ్చినప్పుడు సాత్విక్ కూడా రెడీగా ఉన్నాడు. ఆల్వేస్ ఈ కార్స్ ఎప్పుడు సార్ అంటే నేను చెప్పాను, ఓన్లీ ఒలింపిక్ మెడల్ విల్ గెట్ BMW కార్. సో నౌ in front of everybody I am offering you win the medal in Olympics and collect your BMW car. It's my offer.
That's an unbeatable offer, so I'm sure Satvik is all up for it. సిపి గారికి ప్రత్యేకంగా నమస్కారాలు. మా ఫిల్మ్ మేకర్ క్లబ్ ఎప్పుడు ఏ టోర్నమెంట్ చేసినా అంతే బాగా, ఇంతకన్నా బాగా రేపు చేయబోయే టోర్నమెంట్స్ కూడా ఇంకా గొప్పగా చేస్తానికి ఎప్పుడు ముందుంటుంది. కమిటీ ఎప్పుడు చాలా ప్రోత్సాహకరంగా ఎంకరేజ్ చేస్తూ ఏది వద్దనకుండా చాముండేశ్వరనాథ్ ఏది చెప్తే అది వెంటనే చేయటానికి సిద్ధంగా ఉంటారు. అలాగే ఇప్పటిదాకా అనేక మంది ప్లేయర్స్ ఇక్కడ నుంచి పెద్ద ప్లేయర్స్ గా, నేషనల్ ఇంటర్నేషనల్ ప్లేయర్స్ గా ఎమర్జ్ అయ్యారు. సో ఏ టోర్నమెంట్ అయినా, ఇది ఒకటే కాదు, ఏ టోర్నమెంట్ కూడా చాలా మంచి పేరు వచ్చింది ఈ FNCCకి, అన్ని కమిటీలకి. ప్రత్యేకంగా ఇప్పుడున్న కమిటీ స్పోర్ట్స్ ప్రత్యేకమైన శ్రద్ధ తీసుకుంటున్నారు, చాలా బాగా అరేంజ్ చేస్తున్నారు, బాగుంది. ఇక ముందు కూడా ఇలా ఉంటుంది. ఈ కమిటీకి ప్రత్యేకంగా నేను అభినందనలు తెలియజేస్తున్నాను. అలాగే ఈ కమిటీ ఇంత బాగా చేయడానికి ఆర్గనైజ్ చేసిన వర్కర్స్ కి, మా స్టాఫ్ కి, మేనేజ్మెంట్ కి అందరికీ అభినందనలు తెలుపుతూ, ప్రత్యేకంగా సెక్రటరీ గారు చాలా శ్రద్ధ తీసుకుని మరీ చేస్తున్నారు. నేను అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తాను, ప్రతి టోర్నమెంట్ ని ఆయన ముందుండి ఆయన దగ్గరుండి చేయటం చూశాను. సెక్రటరీ మోహన్ గారు చాలా బాగా ఎక్కువ కష్టపడుతున్నారు. నిజంగా చెప్పాలంటే ఇది టోర్నమెంట్ ఒకటే కాదు, క్లబ్ గురించి కూడా చాలా ఎక్కువ శ్రద్ధ తీసుకుని బాగా చేస్తున్నారు. ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్ మోహన్. Thanks for the committee and thanks giving for the opportunity. Thank you.
Before we move to prize distribution ceremony, I would just like to invite Sri Jasti Venkat. అందరికీ నమస్కారం. ఫస్ట్ శ్రీనివాస్ రెడ్డి గారు కమిషనర్ ఆఫ్ పోలీస్ అయిన తర్వాత మన క్లబ్కి రావటం, చీఫ్ గెస్ట్ గా అంగీకరించడం, ఇక్కడికి రావడానికి వారి టైం స్పేర్ చేసి ప్రత్యేకంగా వారికి అభినందనలు తెలుపుతున్నాను. అలాగే వెల్ నోన్ బ్యాడ్మింటన్ ప్లేయర్ సాత్విక్, వరల్డ్ బ్యాడ్మింటన్ ప్లేయర్, ఇవాళ ర్యాంక్ నెంబర్ 1లో ఉన్నారు. ఈ ప్రాంతం నుంచి ఆ స్టేజ్కి రావడానికి ఎంత కృషి చేశారో వారి అకాడమీకి కానీ వారికి కానీ ప్రత్యేకంగా అభినందనలు తెలుపుతున్నాను. బోత్ ఆఫ్ దెమ్ ఐ am requesting them to become only members of this club. I hope they will accept it. తర్వాత మా వైస్ ప్రెసిడెంట్ రంగారావు గారు, ఫార్మర్ ప్రెసిడెంట్ KS రామారావు గారు, మూలపూడి మోహన్ గారు సెక్రటరీ, పెద్దిరాజు గారు, అలానే రాజశేఖర్ రెడ్డి ట్రెజరరు, స్పోర్ట్స్ కమిటీ కన్వీనర్, అలానే స్పోర్ట్స్ కమిటీ చైర్మన్ గా చైర్మన్ డే. He has been doing a marvelous job for last 10 days. Either men's tournament or women's tournament, he has spent a lot of time, lot of interest in conducting this national tournament. I especially thank him on behalf of the committee to spare his time and to take the interest to make the event grand success. Alane from last many years, Culture Center FNCC is conducting many programs, particularly from last 2 years, 3 years. Many sports events, many cultural events. All the members are participating. Apart from that, many national recognized players are patronizing this culture center. From this culture center only Sania Mirza or PV Sindhu, all the players have started from here, from last 15 years. I especially thank them and many sports personalities who have given them on the membership in this club.
encourage sports and culture. I thank all the members for their cooperation, and particularly our management committee members and staff to make it a grand success. They are working day and night to look after the players and their all the necessities, whatever they want, either food or accommodation or everything they are looking after. And on this occasion, I thank the sponsors, Venkat Garu and others, who are patronizing this club for many years. Without sponsors, we cannot conduct this type of events, even though we are contributing a lot. But to encourage them, we have to give better prizes. And from here onwards, I request Chamundi to make this type of events every year, national tournaments, either tennis or shuttle. Like bridge we are conducting every year. Almost this year about 65 teams have come for bridge tournament from all over the world. Like that, tennis also, every year to make it a national tournament from particular dates and to conduct. I thank the sports committee who is doing them, Mazu and others, their team. They have looked after every minute, all the facilities they have given to the players to make this tournament as grand success. Thank you very much.
I congratulate all the players and who won this doubles and singles, and particularly I have seen several times this Satvik in TV. So now first I have to congratulate Chamundi Garu to offer a car when if he wins a medal in Olympics, and even I am pleasure to offer a 10 lakhs prize and 10 lakhs money if he wins any medal in the Olympics. So from my company, I'm not a sports person, but I'm a sports lover. So I want to see him as a medal winner in Olympics. So that's
No choice but to get us a medal back. So I also wish to thank a couple of other sponsors who have supported us. HES Health on Us, which is a healthcare services company, which has played a very crucial role in supporting the players in terms of physiotherapy. I also thank Legend Estate Sri Nageshwara Garu, who has supported us with this event. And we also thank Sai Kiran Garu, Sri Jasti Venkat Garu, Sri Satvik Garu to come forward.
We were for this opportunity, and it was a really good well-organized tournament by the club. Thank you so much.
Yubrani, some words from you.
Good evening, everyone. As she said, that thank you for this to all the sponsors and everyone who has supported to make this tournament happen. And of course, I would like to thank my partner as well. She had to put up with me a lot this week because I was not ready. And yeah, thank you everyone. And it was a wonderful place, and I really enjoyed this tournament. Thank you.
I'll request Akanksha and Yubrani to say a few words. I now request our singles winner, Akanksha Nithure from Maharashtra, to please come forward. I request Sri K. Samaragaru and Satvik to please come forward and give away the prize. Satvik, please come forward. So Akanksha, how do you feel coming all the way from Mumbai to win the tournament out here in Hyderabad?
In the start of the week, I wasn't very well. I was about to concede my first round, but somehow I played that match, and then the week went really well for me. I love the weather and the courts really suited me, I think. So yeah, it was a very good tournament for me.
Thank you, Akanksha. Now you need to stay back on stage. We have the C. Buddha Raju rolling trophy being presented. I request our Honorary Chief Guest, Sri Kottakota Srinivas Reddy Garu, to please come forward along with Sri Sai Manoj and Mr. Nageshwar Rao to please give away the rolling trophy. I request other dignitaries to be present. So this is a rolling trophy instituted in the memory of Sri Buddha Raju Garu by his son and grandson. This is something which we hope to keep giving away tournament to tournament. Thank you. I request, we have a special gift hamper from Baila for both of you. I request Ritin to please hand over the gift hampers to both the winners. Please come forward. Please. Till now, I request the guest, chief guest to stay on stage. I request our singles runners, our own girl from Telangana, from Hyderabad, Sri Jasti Venkat Garu, Suven Life Sciences. A small memento to remember the event by. I request our Vice President Shri Tummal Rangarao Garu and Rajshekar Reddy Garu to please come forward and give away memento to Shri Krishnam Raj Garu from HES Infra. So thank you for your wonderful support, and we do look forward to your support in the years to come. Yeah. It's a pleasure to give away a small memento to Sri Karthik Sairaj. I'll request our Honorable President and Sri Chamundeshwari Garu. Yeah.
For media. Very sincere.
I now request our Chief Guest.
ఉన్నాయి టిఫిన్స్ స్నాక్స్ అలా అయితే ఇలా అయిపోయింది అవి మనం ఉంటేనే అయిపోయింది ఇంకేం.
Abhaya Vemuri, please come forward. Abhay played a wonderful game of tennis today, lost very narrowly. I request Ashish Garu, our president, along with other dignitaries of the stage, and Shri Ramchair Garu, Pedraj Garu to I request Abhay to say a couple of words.
It was a very well organized tournament. Thank you to all the sponsors. It's the first time such a big tournament is being conducted in Hyderabad. It was a very good opportunity. Thank you so much.
We thank Chief Referee Shri Sumit Bandopadhyay, who has a round of applause for him, please. Shri Manager TSTA Shri Vaibhav Patel. While we read out a list of the people who have played a very key role in making this event a success. Garu, who's on stage. Our tournament director and president TSTA Shri K.R. Raman Garu. We also thank JSC President Shri Surendra Reddy Garu and Secretary Shri Kilar Rajesh Garu, and the club members of JSC who have supported the tournament and at the JSC, Ramesh Garu and Ramakrishna Garu, who are also here today. We thank our sponsors, Suven Pharma Shri Jasti Venkat Garu, HES Infra Shri IVR Krishnamraj Garu, Health Honors Sri Venkat Reddy Garu, Legend Estates B. Nageshrao Garu, and also Sai Manoj and his family for supporting the C. Buddharaju Memorial Trophy. There are a lot of others who have made this event happen. We wish to thank Lakeview Academy, Sri Vasudev Reddy Garu, Sri Rambabu Garu from Cosmos Club, the ITA organizing team, the TSTA team at the back end, all the tournament referees, the chair umpires who have come from various parts of the country to conduct the tournament without a blemishless way. We also thank all the physiotherapists and the nursing staff team who have made sure the players had a safe and enjoyable 12 days here. We thank all the ball boys of Jubilee Hills International Center and very, very importantly of the FNCC who have played a wonderful role in the tournament, creating new standards. Thank all the FNCC staff members for the wonderful work they have done and the hospitality they have provided to the players. And a very, very special thanks from all of us to Sri Somaraj Garu, who has played a very, very instrumental role in ensuring our club member Sri Somaraj Garu, who's not here unfortunately today, who's played a very key effort in this tournament. And also thank the FNCC organizing team and players, Sri Ramaraj Garu, Madhusudan, Sandeep, Subramaniam, Zakir, Rangaraju and Jagdish, who have supported the tournament very well in the last 12 days. Lastly, we would like to thank the media committee chair, Sri Kunjeti Satyanarayan Garu, the PRO Madhu, and all the media friends out here who have done wonderful coverage, encouraging all the tournaments and carrying away the results of the tournament to everyone across the state and all the country. I think we have Somagaru here. We would request you to stand up and a round of applause for Somaraj Garu, please, for the wonderful effort is taken in terms of hospitality. Thank you all. Thank you everyone from the media. Thank you all the guests for being here. A round of applause to all the players, all the winners, please. Thank you everyone for your patience. Good night. With this, we call the program to a close.
Secretary